All right, let's take a look at our homework. We are looking at double-digit multiplication, sketching arrays or area models, I like to call them. So I know that my width is 16, my length is 23. I notice that I have one strip, two strips, right? I know that those are worth 10, and these lines here are worth one single unit, right? So I'm going to go ahead and start by labeling my frame. So I know that this is 10, and I have two strips. I know that that is worth 20. I have 3 units, and I have 6 units here. I'm going to go ahead and mark my area model, right? Would look just like this, and if I want to close it off, it would look like that. All right. I didn't realize it would do that. Let me go ahead and do this. All right, so I have an imaginary multiplication sign, and I'm going to go ahead and show the partial products. So 10 times 20 would be 200. So I know 10 times 20 equals 200. 1 times 2 is 2, and times 10 would be 200. There's my partial product. 10 times 3 equals 30. 6 times 20 equals 120. 6 times 2, and then the 0 means times 10. And 6 times 3 equals 18. So here I have my partial products, which I need to add. So 200, oops, let me erase that. Let me go ahead and use red. 200 plus 30 plus 120 plus 18 are all of my partial products. I have 0, 0, 0, 8. 3 and 2 is 5, and 1 is 6, and 2 and 1 is 3. So the area is 368, and I don't have units on here, so there's no measurement. We could label it any measurement, so we'll say square units. All right, moving on to our next couple problems. Now the space is a little smaller here, so I'm going to have to be careful with my pen. So 19 times 14, I know this is 10. These here are 9. This is 10, and these are 4. So I'm going to go ahead and fill out my frame. Sorry, my hand went a little bit crooked there. Here's my frame. There's my area model. 10 times 10 equals 100. 10 times 4 equals 40. 9 times 10 is 90. And 9 times 4 equals 36. All right, I'm going to highlight all those partial products just so we don't get confused. And then now I'm going to go ahead and add them together. So 100 plus 40 is 140. 90 plus 36 is 126. Okay. Now I can add my partial products, 6, 6, and 2. So my area is 266 square units. All right, we're almost done. We'll take a look at our last problem here. I have 10 and 4 and 10 and 20 and 2. And I like to write that on the inside because it's that whole line that represents 20. I'm going to go ahead and create my area model, just so I have my parts of the area so I could visually see them. All right, so I know that 10 times 20 equals 200. 4 times 20 equals 80. 10 times, I'm going to change the color. 10 times 2 equals 20, and 4 times 2 equals 8. All right, let's take a look at our I have 200, 20, 80, and 8. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add these down below. 200 plus 20 is 220. 80 plus 8 is 88. I'm going to add those partial products, and I have 308 square units as my answer. All right, this is the area model, or using the frames or arrays to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit number. Thank you for listening.